ever find yourself sitting in front of a blank screen, wondering how to kickstart that stellar essay? You're not alone. The secret to breaking free from the chains of the blinking cursor is crafting a powerful thesis statement, your essay's guiding light. And today, we're here to light up that bulb over your head and set you on the path to writing thesis statements that are nothing short of brilliant. So, light bulb moments, here we come. So, welcome back to our one-stop destination for all things English composition and more. And in this episode, we're gearing up to master the art of writing magnetic thesis statements that capture attention and guide your readers through your masterful essay. But before we race ahead, let's demystify what a thesis statement is. Simply put, it's a 1 to 2 sentence powerhouse that presents the main point or argument of your essay. It's like the heartbeat of your paper, giving life and rhythm to your ideas. And a remarkable thesis statement is clear, precise, and debatable. It's not just a statement of fact, but a claim that others might dispute, opening doors to a world of discussion and exploration. So remember these attributes: clear, precise, and debatable. Now that we know what makes a great thesis statement, let's gear up and explore how to create one from scratch. The first step is to identify your topic. This is all about picking your topic, the subject matter that excites you and sparks curiosity. Let's say, for instance, we choose the vibrant world of street art. That will take us into our next step, to formulate your opinion. Because with that exciting topic in hand, we're able to form a solid opinion on it. Maybe you believe that street art breathes life into urban spaces. That's your personal take on the topic. And that can take us into step 3, where you support your opinion with reasons. You have to back up that opinion. You might think that street art brings life to cities because it's a form of public art that everyone can enjoy, and it often brings attention to important social issues. Now, on to step 4, that crafting of the thesis statement. It's the grand finale. It combines our topic, opinion, and reasons. And with those 3 parts, we get street art revitalizes urban spaces by offering accessible art for all and providing a platform for social commentary. And there you have it, a thesis statement that is clear, precise, and absolutely debatable, ready to steer your essay towards success. Remember, a well-crafted thesis statement is your essay's guiding light, leading the way to a structured, focused, and captivating argument. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more composition magic. And until next time, happy writing!